a new driveway and patio project. This is a block paved driveway and a porcelain patio. So we are extending this driveway over here, past this manhole to the yellow line. You can see it's all marked out, ready to rock and roll, and we are going to bring it all the way into the client's home front door. And as you can see over here, we are bringing the line of extension of the driveway over slightly. You can see how much space this is going to give the client when it comes to parking. It's just going to make things a lot easier, and it's going to give them, a much better driveway. Also, we're going to install drainage all the way across the front of the garage to make things easier, and we are going around the back. So we are doing all this up to here in paving, and then we are coming round here and we are following the same paving all the way round, all the way down here. And as you can see, we have marked out the client wants a bit more space here, so we're bringing the patio out here and we're going around, and this is going, we're going to put some sleepers or a block wall up against the fence. Yet underside is a nice little planter, and they're going to have a bigger patio. It's going to be a porcelain patio. I believe it's going to be a white or beige porcelain patio, and it is going to look absolutely phenomenal, and it is really going to accentuate this home, and it is going to give them, as you can see, on this dull, murky day, probably not the day you want to sit outside on a patio, but when summer finally comes, you better use it and enjoy it. So keep watching, and we're going to get cracking. Hi guys, so this project over in Surrey, the driveway and porcelain patio project is complete. As you can see, we've cleaned down the road after installing this fantastic Bracken Podesta driveway. We've set the edges in on concrete, we've installed drainage across the garage, and we have installed recessed manhole covers to hide the old ugly manholes. We've installed drainage across their home here, and we have installed this fantastic little apron in front of their front door. We've also dressed their edges very nicely to landscape everything back in, so it all looks nice. And if you come around to the side, you will see the beautiful new patio that we've installed. We've put in we've redressed this with some nice 20mm stone, giving some nice drainage and looking good. And obviously along here, and yeah, you can see this fantastic patio that I'm probably getting dirty now with my dirty boots on. We've installed all this drainage. If you have a look at these awesome mitre cuts around here, they're fantastic how we've cut this in perfectly. And that's how we've gone around the squares. And then come around here and you'll see this fantastic area for the client where we've installed a porcelain seating area where we clad the blockwork wall with porcelain. and we've stuck the tiles to it, we've grouted it, and as you can see, this lovely area here, which is going to give this client this fantastic garden absolutely years of and it's even the little touches like behind here, we've straightened all that and re-raked all the stuff to make sure it's all nice and everything looks good. And as you can see, we've put drainage across the threshold of their home, and everything looks absolutely fantastic. It's constructed perfectly, and this will give the client many years to come. We've cleaned everything down, seeded everything, and this project is basically, well, it's complete. I'm going to put 30 feet on it now. So if you like what you see, please get in contact. Don't hesitate to ask. You can contact us via the website, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. Let us know what you think in the comments. And I hope you like what you see. I hope you like the videos, and I hope you like the installation. Thanks very much for watching, most appreciated. If you haven't, please subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.